Here in the galleries is where you'll manage the videos in your application and where you'll find the player code to insert into your website or application. On the left side, you'll see the list of folders, and in the center, you'll see the contents of the selected folder. You can create a new folder by clicking this button. We have a search bar where you can search for a video by name, hash, or link. You can perform a general search or a search just within the selected folder. Next, you can change the view mode to list or grid. In list mode, you see columns with video information that can be sorted in ascending or descending order. You can also add categories to the video. Categories are created by clicking this button. Selecting a video will give you several options. To open the preview, click Open or double-click. In this window, we have the video information. Here you can delete resolutions. Using this button, you can view specific statistics for that video. Below the player, we have the source link and the player iframe code to insert into your website or application. On the right side, you can rename, add a description, and add categories. Below, you can choose one of the automatically generated covers or upload your own cover. Below, you can upload a subtitle file for the video in any language so that your viewer can activate subtitles in the player. We also have the player's shareable link and other code options to insert on your website. Here we have player customization options such as changing the player color, making the video private, and even adding a password. Therefore, only people who have this password will be able to watch this video. Activate 360-degree mode. Activate SEO tags so that your video is indexed by search engines. Hide the progress bar to prevent the viewer from fast-forwarding or rewinding the video. Load video after playing so that the video is only loaded after playing. If you have the lead capture tool, you can add them individually for each video. Here in the sharing option, you can select the networks on which you want to share your player.